When global engineering companies outsource fabrication or precision machining, the biggest concern is not price, it's execution.
Will the supplier understand of the drawings and tolerances be maintained? Will delivery timelines and quality commitments be met?
At Verkora, we exist to remove these uncertainties. We work as an engineering-driven manufacturing partner. We are supporting global buyers with customized fabrication and precision machining solutions from India. We handle a wide range of custom fabrication and machining requirements, from simple welded assemblies to complex tight-tolerance machine components. Every project is supported by technical review, supplier validation, quality planning, and export-ready documentation. Whether it's a prototype, batch production, or long-term supply, our focus remains the same: precision, accountability, and on-time delivery. For EPCs, OEMs, and global sourcing teams, Verkora becomes your extended engineering and manufacturing arm in India.
We combine three critical elements: technical understanding, reliable manufacturing execution, and cost-effective sourcing. If you have simple to complex fabrication or machining requirements, Verkora is ready to support your next project.
Share your inquiry with Verkora, and let's start with a technical discussion.